Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara, video number 1416. Today, we are going to discuss a case law on the bail petitions, particularly regarding the orders on the bail petitions by not less than the High Court level, Supreme Court, 2 judges bench, Justice M.R. Shah and Madam B.V. Ragaratna, while allowing the appeal filed by Manoj Kumar Khokkar in the case of M.K. Manoj Kumar Khokkar versus State of Rajasthan and another in criminal appeal number 32 by 2022 dated 11th January 2022 held that cryptic and casual bail orders without relevant reasons are liable to be set aside. It is very clear that no doubt the order may be small, may not be that great, may not that lengthy, but the reasons should be given for denying the bail or for granting the bail. Here the bail was granted. Now let us go to the incident proper as to what happened and why this trouble has come regarding the bail. Of course, both sides definitely they can argue that they are correct. Unless you know the factual background, it may be difficult for you to understand. Therefore, let us go into the details of the case. So just as Mr. Manoj Kumar Khokkar, he is actually the son of the deceased in this case. The murder case by actually this is an asphyxial death by strangulation. So, third వేసి బిగించి ఉంటారు strangulation, right? On 8/12/2019, Mr. Manoj Kumar, he filed an FIR before the police against the accused person actually stating that the accused attacked his father and strangled him to death. During the melee, he was strangled to death. So why? Because of due to the pre-existing disputes regarding some property between them, right? Therefore, the police registered a case under 302 IPC. They have sent the body for PM examination. The PM examination also revealed that is death due to asphyxia. Therefore, they arrested the accused on 10/12/2019 and sent him for remand. Routine procedure. The investigation was completed. The charge sheet was filed. The trial court has been assigned. The duty SC number was also given. That is now the stage is the case is committed to sessions. That means charge sheet was filed and case is committed to sessions and 90 days period is also over. Now, actually, the person who is in the jail, definitely his lawyers also, at least they will try to get bail. He has filed the bail petition. It was rejected by Additional Metropolitan Magistrate, that is the trial court, on 23/1/2020, then 6/3/2020. Then he approached the Honorable High Court of Rajasthan on state of MP or Rajasthan. He approached the Honorable High Court on 7/5/2020. Almost 6 months he was in jail. So now the High Court of Rajasthan, they have given him bail without here the cryptic and casual bail orders as observed by the Supreme Court. So the bail order was given without assigning any reasons. So I will read the bail order. I have considered the submissions and perused the challan papers, challan means charge sheet, challan papers and the postmortem certificate. I deem it appropriate to enlarge the accused on bail without expressing opinion on merits and demerits of the case. As a result, the accused is allowed to go on bail on his furnishing a surety for 50,000, 52 sureties. A routine procedure has been followed. Now, aggrieved by this casual bail order, the son of the deceased, this is Manoj Kumar Khokkar, approached the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Now, Supreme Court of India stated that while elaborate reasons need not be given. An order de horse means without. An order without reasoning or bereft of the relevant reasons definitely cannot result in the grant of bail. In such a case, the prosecution has a right to assail before the higher court. So, please remember the defenses or the arguments on behalf of the advocate. On behalf of the advocate, on behalf of the appellant, the advocate stated that, please, Your Honor, the High Court has not appreciated the gravity of the offence and the previous enmity. They have not taken into consideration the previous enmity and the possibility of the accused absconding from a trial, then threatening the witnesses, inducing the witnesses, managing the witnesses, tampering the evidence, and he may try to influence the witnesses also. And actually, he has stated that the police did not register the case in the initial stage. When they protested before the police station, then only they registered the case. And for 2 days they did not arrest the accused. When they once again demonstrated, then only the accused was arrested. So he is a highly politically influential fellow. Therefore, bail should not be granted to him. Then on behalf of the state, the public prosecutor on behalf of the state, he argued that the previous enmity, after all they are all family, they were residing together, the previous enmity is not holding that much of influence. Second, the charge sheet, the main point. Charge sheet was already filed. Then the incident occurred due to sudden scuffle. So if that is the case, why 302 they have said they should have taken the exception of grave and sudden provocation, whatever it is. So the state says that it is only due to sudden scuffle. And the accused was not at all on flight risk. That means his passport has been ordered to be detained. And actually, the accused does not have any criminal antecedents also. This is the condition. This is the argument on the state. All this problem arose only due to the cryptic and casual orders. Had they mentioned at least about the gravity, previous enmity, influence, all these things, the matter would not have gone to the Supreme Court. So Supreme Court set aside the so-called bail orders given by the Rajasthan High Court, and this man has to once again surrender to the court. This is one point. Second, the Supreme Court expressed its displeasure over the state for not bringing the matter to its notice. Only the client, the appellant, who is the son of the deceased, he has filed the appeal against the order for the dismissal of the bail orders, but the state kept quiet, did not file an appeal. Anyway, the bail is cancelled. Now he has to surrender the court. Very good bail orders by the Supreme Court. So, on one side, normally here, both are correct, no problem. Because if the High Court says already the charge sheet has been filed, the investigation has been completed, and no material witnesses need to be examined, therefore, I am inclined to give bail. Number one. Number two, if it is not inclined, they will be basing on the gravity of the offence or previous enmity, all these things, I am not going to grant bail. But without assigning any reasons, then said, I deem it proper to release the accused on bail without going to the merits or demerits of the case. It's not proper, as observed by the Supreme Court. So, very good case law. For particularly cancellation of the bail, it will be useful to the advocates who wanted to go for cancellation of the bail. So, please read the judgment and order and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.